If you are having difficulty finding out how Simpson Pressure Washer works, I got you. Subscribe, as I will highlight the features, design, and power of this pressure washer. Additional information and link of prices find it on the description. Simpson is a powerful washing machine that can tackle even heavy-duty filth on all surfaces. Assembling and using this unit is fast and easy, so you will enjoy working with it. This machine have a maximum pressure of 2,800 PSI and 2.3 GPM water flow rate. It means that it can blast off all sorts of filth and grime on the surface. Simpson comes with 5 quick connect 0 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap nozzle tips, making it easy for you to clean different surfaces. It is easily pulled in every terrain and portable, so you can use it in both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. Its advantages include large detergent tank, durable with its heavy-duty steel frame, excellent cleaning power, efficient fuel intake and less maintenance due to OEM axial technology. I like Simpson Pressure Washer because it helps you clean and get ready surfaces for painting tasks by lifting old paints. If you have any question, write it down on the comment section and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching this video.